All right, I want to show you what do we do if we have a critical injury to the neck. We have to do two things here. We have to pack this wound, and I'll let you start kind of giving a little bit of blood so you get the realism. So we have to start packing this wound, and then we have to bandage it. So to start, I'm going to open my gauze. I'm going to call my casualty down. Hey, stay in there. How are you doing? What else is hurting you? All right, so now I'm going to push in deep to find where that wound is, and then I'm going to go as fast as I can to fill this cavity. And what I'm doing is I'm pushing this as fast as I can and as deep as I can into this cavity.
And finger after finger, don't let a finger out.
Exactly, Taryn's right. So we want to keep pushing this in and not taking any fingers out. So I'm pushing up, I'm pushing to the side, pushing to the other side, and getting as much of this gauze in there. Now this also has QuikClot kaolin product in it. So that means it helps the body clot using its own normal clotting system. And this takes about 1 to 3 minutes to take effect. And it works on patients that have bad clotting issues or great clotting issues, it doesn't matter. So I keep packing this in. As you can see, you can put a lot of gauze into this wound here. So I'll keep going as much as I can. If I ever get to the end and I can't put any more, then I'll keep the rest on top. So what I'm gonna do now is, let's just say that this was right here, okay? So I'm gonna move this out of the way. I'm gonna keep pressure. I'm gonna move this so you guys can see. And now it was right here. I have to wrap it. So I'm gonna grab this gauze. I'm gonna grab this pressure bandage, excuse me. And again, it says other side to wound. So we said that it was here. I'm gonna do a gentle wrap like this. This is just to hold it in place. This is not to stop his circulation by any means. Now, I wanna go pressure here to his armpit. So how do I do that? I'm gonna push him this way. And now I'm gonna take this. If I use this arm like that, it will go under it. And now I pull very tight because I'm pulling this, not this side, this is loose. Go tight under his armpit and back around his neck. Again, all the tightness is here, not here, so it's not cutting off circulation. I go back super tight. And now all the pressure is here. If he's unconscious, I'm just gonna leave him in that position. I can take this arm up and I can leave him in this position. All the pressure is on his neck. He still has blood flow right here. As you can see, it's super loose.
Yeah.
This is how we pack and bandage the neck.
Excellent.